We're outside the Sand Key model here in Firethorn. Now this is one of their larger properties. We're going to check out the model today. It is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and it comes with a 2 or a 3-car garage. Here's the front of the home, and notice with the Sand Key model you're going to get this nice covered porch. And before we go in, this model has all the updates that you could ever want. Alright, here's the entranceway of the Sand Key model. You can see they've got a nice glass piece here and up top at the door, so you're getting plenty of light through the front door. You're going to have your dining room area off to the side, along with a den or office or whatever you want to make it over here. Real quick on the floor, this is not tile, this is laminate. So here's the dining room area. You can see they have the tray ceilings, making it feel extra special and elegant in here. Front door, and they made this area a little office, study. Again, you got tray ceilings in here. Down this hall, you're going to have the laundry room, garage access, and a half bathroom. Now remember I told you they did every upgrade they could here. You've got the sink, cute little floor they did, and that floor is going to go open up to the garage. There's a closet for you, and then your half bath. From the entranceway, we're going to go into the living, kitchen, and dining room. Again, open concept. Right here by the stairs, we have this closet, and inside I'll show you. It's huge. You're going to have a lot of storage in there. That closet space by the stairs, lots of extra storage. Your open concept living room, dining, and the kitchen. Now again, in the living room, you can see they added the little elements up on the ceiling, which kind of just bring up and elevate this space. Got the 3 sliders right there, bringing in lots of natural light. Again, another 2 windows in the dining area. And 2 more windows on this side. So lots of light in the dining. And the kitchen definitely went all out. Really love the sink and the faucet. Refrigerator. Here's your stove and oven. I have this little area between the dining and the kitchen, and you can see they set it up as like a little bar area. Inside you have your pantry. So just really pretty in this house. Down this hallway is the master. So the master is on the 1st floor, and you guys are going to absolutely love this. Again, we got the tray ceilings. We've got 3 windows over there overlooking our pool area. Large enough to put a little sitting area, your dressers, a little bench, and your bed. Now this shower is absolutely stunning. I love the glass. I love the tile all the way up. You got the 2 shower heads. You can turn it on from over there without getting wet. Here's the bathroom from the other side. I'll go out there. You can see 2 vanities. You have drawers in the middle. Really nice. And then this huge, huge closet. This is great. This is seriously like the size of a bedroom. It's huge. One more time, we'll walk through the bathroom and the master for you. All right, upstairs there's a huge loft which they decorated and made it so fun. And then there are 4 bedrooms. 2 of them actually have their own bathrooms, their own en-suites, and then the other 2 share a common bath. All right, so let's go check it out. So here is that super fun loft area that they created up here. Again, tray ceilings, 3 windows, lots of light coming in. So on this side, you're gonna have the 2 bedrooms with bathrooms, and then behind me are the 2 bedrooms without bathrooms. Here is bedroom 1. And here's how they did the bathroom. Again, they did the tile all the way up. And they got a little vanity and potty. Here's the 2nd bedroom with the extra ensuite. Now over here, that's the closet. It does have a window in it. And on this side, without getting you sick, is the bathroom. Again, a quick look at the bathroom, very nice. Here's the closet with the window. All right, we're back out to the loft area, and we're going to that side where there's a 1 bathroom and then bedroom. You do have the air handler system right here down this hall though. Here's a 1 bedroom. You have the taller doors and the taller door closets, which really elevate the room. Here is the common bath, double vanity, tub, shower combo. And then there's the 4th bedroom upstairs. Now for the best part, at least my favorite part, the pool area. So you've got the 3 sliders that will open up, a huge extended lanai area, plenty of room. They put a little table and grill area over there. You've got your pool all caged in. This is a nice large pool. This one has a hot tub. Love the screening. You can just look over that water. Also has this door over here so you can get out if you want. So we are loving this space back here. Alright guys, so that's the Sand Key model over here at Firethorn. If you guys have questions about this model, Parrish, or anything, give us a call. It's Amy and Tom with Keys to the Coast Real Estate. Also, if you haven't checked out my website, go look at it. www.homesforsalparishfloridafl.com. I updated all the market stats. It's got a ton of information for you guys. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!